Oh yeah.
I'm here today with Stand Up X
I'm not sorry.
with a message: unite, not divide.
What's happened
That
to
way
Jeremy?
we can defeat the attacks upon us from what they call the new normal, but it's the beginning of the new world order. It's very dangerous.
I've
It's
been
against
to 5 o'clock news.
freedom, democracy, and actually jobs and rights. So we've got to have a great summer of discontent to make it impossible for them to have a second lockdown and impose vaccination with microchips. That's what they're after. We're going to stop it. And we're also going to stop them doing tracks operations on your mobile phone. They want to do, tracks is about control. It's not to enable, it's to control. We say we want freedom, not tyranny.
Many people have said that this lockdown is unlawful, but people hearing this from protesters don't really understand what that means because they've seen the Corona bill being passed. Can you explain how this lockdown has been unlawful?
Well, the lockdown rules are unlawful because they're using extensions of the 1984 Health Act, which cannot overrule the human rights of the Human Rights Act. So therefore, they weren't passed properly and given proper weight under law. And this is the point we're going to argue in my court case on the 24th of July.
Okay. How can people support that court case?
They can go online to, if you go to #StandUpX, you can find everything. Or
Okay.
follow me on Twitter @Piers_Corbyn. And there's links to the group where you can give money to support the campaign and the court case in particular.
Okay. Are there any other legal proceedings going on at the moment?
Yes, there's many legal proceedings. My court case is essentially the test case for all of them. We're raising money which will be used to defend everybody.
Okay. Is that including 5G?
Yes,
Okay.
anybody involved in these things. The 5G is completely part of it because our campaign, you see, has been for stop any more lockdowns, stop COVID vax, and take down 5G. 5G is dangerous and it's for health and it's part of a control operation.
So this week they've just made wearing face masks mandatory for public transport. What do you say to members of the public that maybe wouldn't want to wear a face mask, but they also need
do
to...
not wear a face mask. If you get told to wear it, say you've got no right to tell me. You can give me advice, but there's no law saying you must wear a face mask. It's purely advice. So they can't arrest you or stop you or anything. Okay, so on the tube and the bus, do not wear a face mask. Stand up, and if you get into trouble, get in touch with us. Go to #StandUpX and resist for your rights.